missed it. I was trying to get to see the ball drop. But Happy New Year's, guys. Woo! Good to see another year. Period. God is good. I missed the damn ball drop. I'm tight. Check me out. Check me out. Check me outside. Ooh. Come on, girl. Gotta do the shots. Face like that. Yo, this shit feel big on my face. Hold on. You in bed? Are you still getting your shot or something? Hold on, take a get calm now. How you at somebody on you? Did you see the ball jump? I missed it. Kimberly, like, I ain't watching that. Come on, pick up, guys. Come on. Put my glasses back on. Kimberly's reaction to me, my glasses was funny. Why they not answering? I didn't see. I missed the ball drop. Yo, I'm wash. Why Kimberly not? You said what? Oh. Why can't? Why? I just trying to add. I was talking to her and then I tried to add you and then I added you and then she hang up and then her phone hang up and no. I don't know how to do this. I ain't never did this before. Oh, ring.
Cheers to DQ and a bright and healthy 2022.
Oh, there she go. Oh, well, I don't see her. Oh, she in the kitchen. Alright, let me pour my shot. This is what I'm drinking. Amsterdam pineapple. Yeah. Pour a shot. Damn, girl, you can't wait. She's over there drinking. Kimberly. Oh, y'all both got dreads. Look at my friends. They got dreads. You know how long I had this glasses? Okay, how we gonna do this? I'm ready. Look, I have my shots. Caramel. Kimberly, what is that? Bacardi. Oh, this is what I'm drinking. Show your drink, Caramel. Oh, you don't have the bottle? Okay, let's go. Cheers to who wanna go first?
Cheers to life, man. People dying out here, man. Cheers to life. Yo, for real. Don't think ghetto. No, yo, daddy, pay attention.
Okay. Cheers to happiness, peace, and long-lasting friendship.
You got another phone? Oh my god.
Okay. Go ahead. Cheers. Happy New Year, guys. I love you.
Clink, clink, clink.
Clink, clink, clink. Oh. Damn.
I gotta work in the morning.
Oh, yeah, my bad. I mean, you have a good sleep, though. Alrighty. Thank you, guys.
Alrighty.
Oh, yeah. Y'all need to come pick up your gifts. Y'all need to pick up your gifts unless y'all want me to bring it back to the store. Yo, that shit just made me hot. Yeah.
You got a turtleneck on. What's that turtleneck?
In my room is kind of cool. Yeah, it's a turtleneck.
You got a turtleneck on in the house.
Yeah.
Long sleeve turtleneck.
Why you face like that, Cara?
It's too hot for that.
Because in my room is kind of cold, but Damn, girl. She said, and you got your wig on. Love you guys.
Bye, love you.
My real friends. I'm gonna have another shot though. Bye. I need it.
Okay.
Oh, child. What y'all doing? What is that? Oh yeah, you don't hear them too? They're right above my window. They should sound. Them should sound like
Gunshots.
Yeah. Look at my son one more time, cause he does not like. I know it's after 12, and he probably sleep. He probably sleep. But sometimes he be up. He not. If you don't got school. What's today? Friday. These firecrackers sound crazy though. We are in 2022. Wow. Another year with COVID. Betty White passed away today. Well, yesterday. Before her 100th birthday. To make it to 99 years old, bro. That's a blessing. I'm gonna play one of my favorite Shenseea songs. Who's this?
You know, go hold my dog. No, I'd rather be alone. Can't go hold me. You can't tell me what you do, what you go. Oh, we just, me no puppy show. Me and the stars, so me and no follow you. Do me wanna follow you. Me not get your fun, no matter how many cool them. Boss position, so no boy can't try program me. Or they come me alone. Real bad girl, so no boy can't try program me. Y'all never go work for me, see me in a 2020 slavery. Then you need to match up your business, and I make man. You insecure that you're in a race now. Watch out, boom, boom, where you call that? Make man, do your own thing, but fuck with me now. Picking it up, make a money go. Can't be ready, so nobody go.
It's my third shot, and I'm gonna give it to. I'm gonna take this with my mom. I miss you. I love you. I wish you was here. This pain is unbearable, and I wish she was here. I miss you so much. To my mommy, I love you. Alright, I'm done for the night. Now she probably all partying. She probably all work.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, boo.
Thank you.
I'm drunk.
Damn. You ain't no time. You home?
Yeah. I thought you was at work. I didn't know you was gonna answer because I know I FaceTimed you before. I'm like, she probably at work.
If I was at work, I would answer unless, like, I'm literally in the middle of something. Like, hold on, I'm getting a call.
Oh, you're sweet.
No, I took leave. I'll go back to work tomorrow night.
Okay, so before you go to work, come pick up something from here.
Okay, 9:30, 9:45ish.
Okay, yeah, I'll be home. I ain't going nowhere. It's COVID outside.
I'll pack up on the work.
Alright, cool. Just wanted to say Happy New Year. Thanks for everything. I love you.
Love you too. You alright? You by yourself?
I'm by myself. Yeah, so I'm just drinking my pain away. I just took like 3 shots. But I think I'm done. I don't feel like I was trying to finish the bottle, but I'm not gonna do that.
You drank that whole bottle?
No, girl, no.
I was about to say.
No, I've been had this. But yeah, I've been had it for months. Like I had it from last month. Cause I'm not a drinker, so I just I sip. But
I know you're not. That's why I said if you drink that whole bottle.
No, I can't. Hell no, I can't do that. Crazy. That's too much.
champagne.
I'm not a drinker like you.
Try to cut back and see I'm just drinking a bottle of champagne.
What champagne is that?
Clickle.
Huh? What is that? You Vive what? Okay. Is that French?
Yes.
Yeah, figured.
Voulez-vous cliquant?
What? I couldn't even say it. But yeah. Didn't mean to interrupt y'all.
Fine.
Alright.
Okay.
See you tomorrow.
Try not to be. I know today's probably a little tough, but
You said what?
I said I know tonight it's gonna be a little tough, but
Yeah, I'm not gonna drink no more. I took 3 shots already.
alright.
I'm not gonna take no more. I think I'm done for the night. Cause if I drink, I'm gonna have a crazy headache tomorrow. I'm not trying to do that. But yeah, I'm calling my child. He's not answering the phone. Like, what's going on? See, that's what happens when you give a little boy an iPad. That's why I had. Ooh, why am I going to again? I did not mean to do that. I'm sorry, girl. See, this look, it's getting to me. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I love you.
I love you.
Let me see your face. Let me see your face. Hi, handsome.